MSI Sword 15. Unity System Solutions. Sword 15 sharpen your game. Word 15 is tailored for those who love RPG games. It's powerful yet sturdy, and the blue backlit keyboard is exclusively modulated to provide a distinctive color that will create the best gaming atmosphere for avid gamers. Now, incarnates as an enchanted knight, inherits the dragon power to venture and overcome obstacles with Sword 15. I/O ports. 1x Type-C USB 3.2 General 1. 2x Type-A USB 3.2 General 1. 1x Type-A USB 2.0. 1x HDMI 2.1, 4K at 60 Hz. 1x RJ45. Reinventing multi-core architecture. Sword 15 equips the latest 12th General Intel Core i5 processor, features performance and efficiency cores, providing an unprecedented boost in multitasking works and heavy games. Display size: 15.6 inches FHD, 1920 x 1080, 144 Hz, IPS level. Keyboard single backlit keyboard, blue. GeForce RTX 30 series laptops, the ultimate play. GeForce RTX 30 series laptop GPUs power the world's fastest laptops for gamers and creators. They're built with Ampere, NVIDIA's second-gen RTX architecture, to give you the most realistic ray-traced graphics and cutting-edge AI features like NVIDIA DLSS. Plus, Max-Q Technologies unleash the power of AI to make thin, high-performance laptops that are faster and better than ever. Processor: Intel Core i5-12500H 12th Gen processor. RAM: 16GB DDR5 4800 MHz RAM. Storage: 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU, 6GB GDDR6 up to 1550 MHz boost clock, 60W maximum graphics power. Battery: 3-cell 53.5 battery, WHR. AC adapter 180W adapter. Dimension: WXDXH. 359 by 259 by 24.9 mm. Weight, with battery, 2.25 kg. Color: silver. Operating system: Windows 11 Home.